Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check a forecast and the temperature of a particular area that you have selected on the Gaia GPS application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. If you want to select your current location, all you have to do is tapping on this button at the top of the screen in the middle. Now you are directed to your exact location at the map, but you have the chance to select it by yourself. And after that, tap on it, and here, as you can see, in the middle of this box, you can see the exact temperature, humidity, and so on. If you tap on this arrow pointing to the right direction, you will be able to see the current forecast and today's night's forecast as well. And here you can see Thursdays, Fridays, and Saturdays weather information as well. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.